tapat, lumulusong sa hamon. Kahit puso'y nangangamba, pero may aapoy sa loob. Ikaw yon, handang lumaban pa. Bawat hakbang may kwento, bawat luha may dahilan. Bawat araw sa ibang bayan may bagong paglaban. At kahit malayo ka sa pamilyang iniwan, ikaw pa rin ang ilaw na patuloy na lumalaban. This is the expat journey, a story of courage and destiny. Crossing oceans, chasing dreams, building life beyond the sea. This is the expat journey, where heart and hope collide. In every mile away from home, your spirit is your guide. Minsan malamig ang gabi, tahimik at mabigat, pero may pangako sa hangin. Bukas ay magaan. Dito mo matatagpuan ang lakas na di mo alam, na kahit saan mapunta, kaya mong tumindig mag-isa. And when the world feels far too wide, hold your dreams, let them be your light. For every expat soul will fight to make the dark turn to bright. This is the expat journey, a story written bravely. From the struggles to victory, you rise above endlessly. The expat journey, your heart will lead the way. No matter how far home may be, you're stronger every day.